Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar Kid G with F-150. That's all he needs, his girlfriend, his silver drifting car, and that's it. Alright, so let's go into this song. It's a very, very easy song. If you use a capo on fourth, that is the best scenario for us. 4 chords, C, G, E minor, D. Let's take a look at it. So we're gonna start with C now, and that goes third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and that will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. Next chord comes with E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. So open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so the 4 famous chords there, C, G, E minor, D. Now let's take a look at the strumming, and we have a pattern that crosses 2 chords, okay? So we're gonna see the first 2 chords, C and G, and then apply the same principles on the next 2 chords, the E minor and D. So you grab the first chord, the C, and you're gonna play down, down, clap. That's it. So 2 downs and a clap. Then you shift chord to G and play down, 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 clap, down. So 3 downs, 1 clap, and 1 down. Okay, so that's it. You're gonna play again, C, down, down, clap, then G, down, 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 clap, down, like this. And now you apply the same principles, like I said, with E minor and D. So you play E minor, down, down, clap, and then D, down, 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 clap, down, like this. And there you have 1 chord progression round. And you're just gonna roll this from the beginning till the very end in the same way as it drives his F-150. So let's go for a couple of rounds of C, G, E minor, and D. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. I did. So yeah, hope to see you soon guys. Until next time, play tuned.